Which of the following words is a synonym for abundant? A. Scant. B. Sparse. C. Plentiful. D. Meager. Answer: C. Plentiful. Rationale: abundant means existing or available in large quantities. Plentiful. Therefore, the correct synonym is C. Plentiful.
Which of the following sentences contains a dangling modifier? A. Walking to work. The rain began to fall. B. While jogging in the park. The sun came out. C. After finishing the book. The movie adaptation was announced. D. Eating lunch. My phone rang. Answer: D. Eating lunch. My phone rang. Rationale: a dangling modifier is a word or phrase that modifies a word not clearly stated in the sentence. In sentence D, the modifier eating lunch is not clearly referring to the subject I. This creates a dangling modifier error.
Which of the following is a complex sentence? A. I went to the store and bought some groceries. B. Although I was tired, I stayed up to finish my homework. C. The cat sat on the windowsill, and the dog barked at the mailman. D. She asked me if I wanted to go for a walk.
Answer: B. Although I was tired, I stayed up to finish my homework. Rationale: a complex sentence is a sentence that contains an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. In sentence B, although I was tired is a dependent clause and I stayed up to finish my homework is an independent clause, making it a complex sentence.
Which of the following sentences is written in the passive voice? A. John wrote the book last year. B. The company hired a new CEO. C. The cake was baked by my sister. D. The teacher graded the exams quickly.
Answer: C. The cake was baked by my sister. Rationale: the passive voice occurs when the subject of the sentence is acted upon by the verb. In sentence C, the cake is the subject and was baked is the verb, making it a passive sentence.
Which of the following is a correct use of the semicolon? A. I need to go to the grocery store for milk, bread, and cheese. However, I have to finish my work first. B. She asked me to go with her to the concert, and I said yes. C. He's an excellent writer. He's also a skilled musician. D. I can't wait to see the new movie, because the reviews have been great.
Answer: C. He's an excellent writer. He's also a skilled musician. Rationale: a semicolon is used to connect two independent clauses that are closely related in meaning. In sentence C, he's an excellent writer and he's also a skilled musician are two independent clauses that are closely related in meaning and can be connected with a semicolon.
Which of the following words is most similar in meaning to diligent? A. Careless. B. Lazy. C. Hardworking. D. Uninterested.
Correct answer: C. Rationale. Diligent means showing care and effort in one's work or duties. Among the choices, hardworking is the word that has the most similar meaning.
Which of the following sentences contains a grammatical error? A. She is going to the store to buy milk, bread, and cheese. B. They have been waiting for the bus for an hour. C. Me and my friends are going to the beach this weekend. D. I cannot believe how quickly the time has passed.
Correct answer: C. Me and my friends are going to the beach this weekend. Rationale: the sentence "Me and my friends are going to the beach this weekend" contains a grammatical error. The correct form should be "My friends and I are going to the beach this weekend."
Which of the following words is most opposite in meaning to obsolete? A. Current. B. Ancient. C. Modern. D. Contemporary. Correct answer: A. Current. Rationale: obsolete means no longer in use or outdated. Among the choices, current is the word that is most opposite in meaning. Choose the correct spelling of the word. A. Receive. B. Receive. C. Receivee. D. Receive. Correct answer: B. Rationale. The correct spelling of the word is receive. Which of the following sentences is written in the passive voice? A. The cat chased the mouse. B. The cake was baked by my grandmother. C. He wrote a letter to his mother. D. I will clean the house tomorrow. Correct answer. B. The cake was baked by my grandmother. Rationale. The sentence, the cake was baked by my grandmother, is written in the passive voice. In the passive voice, the subject of the sentence receives the action rather than performing it.
Check out our other reviewers. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated for our next review videos.